I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Summer Tournament Round 1, Heat 3. Heat 1 saw the 70 Challenger advance into the semi-finals. And in today's heat we have another 3 competitors searching for that elusive semi-final spot. First up we have the 68 Dodge Dart, one good looking car. Has he got the speed to take on Western Raceway? Next up is the 61 Impala. They say red goes faster. Will he make it into the semi-finals? Let's find out. And the final car competing today is the Rise and Climb. Will he have the speed to take on Mount Western Raceway? The first car to win 3 races wins the spot in the semi-finals of round 1.
Let's do it. Race 1.
Good clean start. The Rise and Climb into the first turn, takes the lead, getting nudged by the Impala. Here come, Rise and Climb's over, and an easy win for the Impala. Oh, he hit that wall hard.
Race 1, 61 Impala.
Take us to the replay, MC.
Here we go.
Oh, the Rise and Climb blocks the Impala. Nice coming out of turn 2. Yeah, the Impala's just really impatient, pushing the Rise and Climb out of the way. This Impala is just mean and has the speed. Oh, he hits that wall hard. So there you go, 61 Impala. First win.
Race 2.
Oh, the Rise and Climb blocks the Impala, but here comes the Dart, straight down Western Raceway into turn 2. Oh, he's got this sewn up. With speed like this, the Dart might be in the semi-finals before we know it.
Winner, race 2, 68 Dodge Dart. Let's get a replay on that.
I think we might have a grudge match here. The Rise and Climb is forcing the Impala into the bank, but it's the Dart all the way. Beautiful clean run, goes up high, can see the finish line. Oh, they hit that wall hard. I feel there's a lot of anger out here today. 68 Dodge scores his first win after race 2.
Race 3.
Good clean start, here comes the Impala. Oh, the Rise and Climb pushes him out of the way. There's definitely a grudge match going on here between those two. Nice win by the Rise and Climb. Oh, he smacks him.
Winner, race 3, Rise and Climb. Replay.
Yeah, I can tell these two have got a problem. They really started up the top, just coming out of this turn 2, and the Rise and Climb's just gone, get out of my way, mate. There's definitely an issue between these two, but it's Rise and Climb all the way on a fantastic win. Oh, and the Impala just smacks him and says, all right, mate, I'll take you on. Come on, any old day.
Well, interesting times ahead.
The Rise and Climb scores his first win. Race 3.
Race 4.
Well, here comes the Dart. Oh, the Dart flips over. But look at the Impala, look at the pace on this. Unbelievable. Oh, he hits that. Oh, these guys, they're at it.
Winner, 61 Impala. I think we should go to the replay.
Do it, man. Have a look at the Impala cut in front of the Rise and Climb. And there's the Dart. Oh, he just hits something on the track and flips over. But it's the Impala all the way. This is a beast of a speed machine. Don't mess with this guy. Wham! He smacks into that. The Rise and Climb says, come on, buddy. I'll give it straight back to you. Winner of race 4, 61 Impala with 2 wins. Watch out.
Race 5.
Good clean start going into turn. Whoa, what's happened there? Rise and Climb's gone way off the track. The Dart's upside down, the Impala's still on the track. This is carnage on Mount Western Raceway. And look at the rise and climb, he's just about lost in the abyss of nowhere. Hey MC, take us to the replay.
I'm onto it.
I'm just going to pause it here. The Impala has forced rise and climb off the track. Man, these guys are right at it. The Impala's saying if I can't win, no one will win.
Race 6.
Oh, the pace is on here. These guys mean business. Here comes a Dart down the straight into turn 2, no one behind him, and a very convincing win. The Dart. Oh, and he flips over. Oh, look at these guys. They're still at it.
Winner, 68 Dodge Dart. Let's go to the replay.
Check out the rise and climb. He boxes the Impala, lets the Dart through, and the Dart's just having this whole track to himself. Very cruisy win for the Dart. Okay, after race 6, the Dodge Dart, 2 wins, the Impala 2 wins, and the rise and climb 1.
Race 7.
Oh, the Impala out early. Oh, he's got this sewn up. And here comes the rise and climb. Oh, the rise and climb blocks the Impala. Oh, what an awesome race that was. These guys, they have a grudge match. Winner, rise and climb. MC, take us to the replay.
I'm onto it.
The Impala looking very strong into turn 1. Rise and climb right on his heels. The Dart goes over. And here comes a rise and climb right below and says, mate, back off. This is my race. Oh, they hit that wall hard. This is where we stand at the end of race 7. Rise and climb scores his second win. The 61 Impala has 2 and the Dodge Dart has 2. The next race will determine who goes off to the semi-finals on the left-hand side bracket.
Race 8.
Rise and climb out front into turn 1. Oh, the Dart's over, rise and climb slamming, and here comes the Impala. Oh, the Impala's got it, yes, the Impala. Wow, what a fast race by the Impala.
Winner, 61 Impala.
MC, you better take us to the replay.
I'm onto it.
I thought the rise and climb had this all the way going into turn 1. He's in a great position. The Dart just goes way off the track. The rise and climb just can't survive those turns and bumps, and here comes the Impala. This is a beast of a machine, as I've said before. The speed, the aggression. This guy knows how to race at Mount Western Raceway. The 61 Impala, 3 wins. He moves on to the semi-finals. 61 Impala moves into the semi-finals along with the 70 Challenger and the Dodge Challenger. Wow, these 3 guys are going to rip up Mount Western Raceway. I'm Hot Car Track and this is Mount Western Raceway. Thanks for watching.